from all of us at the Oregon Buddhist Temple, welcome to the 74th Annual Northwest District Buddhist Convention. We are excited to present our virtual program with you.
From Bend and the lovely Deschutes River, hello. 6 outstanding speakers will explore our conference theme:
the art of Buddhist living,
appreciation,
realization,
transformation.
The speakers include
Reverend Peter Hata,
minister at Higashi Hongwanji, Los Angeles Betsuin and musician;
Kim Stafford,
Oregon Poet Laureate Emeritus;
Reverend Koe Umezu,
minister at West Los Angeles Buddhist Temple, illustrator and storyboard artist;
Reverend Yuki Sugahara,
minister at Oregon Buddhist Temple, musician and martial arts enthusiast;
Koichi Mizushima,
BCA youth coordinator;
and Nobuko Miyamoto,
singer, songwriter, dancer, and cultural activist.
These presentations and the Sunday services will be available all week for viewing at your convenience on our YouTube channel. This means you can watch these presentations day or night, whenever you wish, however many times you want throughout the week. The panel discussion, junior YBA chat with the bishop, and hospitality room will be available only on Saturday via Zoom at the times listed.
We invite you all to actively listen to what each speaker says. Active listening starts with an open mind and an open heart.
As you reflect on the thoughts and many experiences of our speakers, we hope you will be inspired to discover new things about yourself. Let your inspiration be the tip of your iceberg.
We hope you enjoy our program. Please join us as we celebrate learning together with our Northwest Virtual Sangha.
We are grateful for your participation. Namanda, 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 namanda.